Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where efficiency, productivity and safety take the forefront. Today, we delve into the game-changing potential of EON Reality's AI Assistant. This extended reality platform, powered by Spatial AI technology, is designed to revolutionize manufacturing. From training employees to guiding technicians in maintenance, even assisting in hazardous material handling, the EON AI Assistant does it all. It offers multilingual support and features for remote collaboration, making it a versatile tool in the manufacturing industry. The benefits? Reduced costs, increased efficiency, and improved safety standards. Imagine having real-time, personalized guidance at every step in your operation. Don't get left behind. The future of manufacturing is here with EON AI Assistant. For more information on how to integrate this technology into your operations, click the link below. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of manufacturing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights.